Now, this is what 390 million gets you right here in Orchid, Lekki, Lagos. Welcome to this 5-bed fully detached duplex with a swimming pool and a secure gated estate. You're going to love it here. Let's get across together. Now, starting from here, we have this biometric fingerprint lock door, and this ushers you into this lovely property. We have this lovely wall fixture right here, and over here we have the guest toilet right here, and right here we have the guest room with toilet and bath. Welcome to the spacious living area. What is like? Right here, you have this, and over here you have the TV console with this nice wall design right here. You have this also, and this leads you into the fully fitted kitchen. We have this lovely light with an induction stove on this island right in the middle of the kitchen, and here you have the gas cooker with a heat extractor right here. Lovely kitchen cabinetry, and over here we have a pantry. We have this. And this for storage. And right here is a microwave and oven, and you have your double door fridge already installed here. So let's go see other parts of this house. So right here we have the family lounge. The balcony. We've got this balcony right here. Okay, so let's see the rooms. One of the rooms. have the walk-in closet over here. We have this large space, the TV console over there, and this leads to the bathroom, the toilet and bathroom. And you have a swimming pool with a water fountain right here. You have a swimming pool right here. So I'm taking around this property right here in Lekki. For more inquiries to own this property, all you need to do is call on the numbers you see on your screen. I remain your preferred realtor and will bring you the best deals in the real estate market.